The Australian car tyre retailing industry is projected to grow modestly over the next 5 years. This occurrence is due to the rising number of motor vehicles on Australian roads. However, there is a drop in consumer sentiment to purchase new cars. This decrease in new vehicle sales in Australia would mean more drivers want to keep their current vehicles for more extended period of time. Therefore, the average age of the vehicle will increase, which makes cars more likely to require replacement tires, which will increase the car tire industry's revenue. The diagram above outlines the supply chain management for car tire industry. The first step in the supply chain is to source raw materials from suppliers. Once raw materials such as rubber, steel, and fiber are procured, the raw materials will then be sent to tire plants to be manufactured into actual tires. Once the tires are made, they will be transferred to car tire distribution centers. As soon as the tires are being stocked up at the tire distribution center, they will be sold to local Australian tire dealers. Last but not least, the consumer will be the end user which will purchase the tire as the final product and have them fitted to the rim of their vehicles in the car tire dealer. The old tires that are swapped out from the tire dealers will then be sent to a centralized return point. At the centralized return point, the condition of the tire will then be evaluated to determine what to do with them. Tires that are still functional will be sent to a tire retreading companies to be remanufactured into new tires. However, defective tires will be sent to tire recycling facilities, in which ultimately they will be turned into scrap tires and end up in the landfills. Moving on to informations needed in the car tire industry. Information system is vital in any business industry because it allows a business organization to reduce their costs effectively, which will increase their organization's competitive ability. Information systems found in the car tire industry are office automation system, communication systems, transaction processing systems, and management information system. Office automation system is an information system specialized in providing practical ways to process personal and organizational business data, to perform calculations, and to create documents. General software applications such as Word, spreadsheet, presentation, and database management are labeled under Office automation system. For example, spreadsheet software are used to calculate raw materials order quantities, minimize transportation costs, and determine facilities location. In today's world, office automation systems has advanced into logistics optimization models to help logisticians make complex judgment about strategic, tactical, operational, and collaborative issues. Aside from office automation system, communication system also play a vital part in a car tire industry. Communication systems help connect employees, suppliers, and customers to work together to an efficient information sharing environment. In the car tire industry's perspective, this technology helps improve worker productivity, reduce operating costs, and further improve customer service. The third information system used in the car tire industry are the transaction processing system. Transaction processing systems obtain and store information about transactions. An example of logistics related to TPS is electronic data interchange. EDI system establishes links between the company supplier, and customers, which leads to a reduction in processing time, document preparation, and inventory costs. TPS system used in car tire industry allow tire retailers to track returns, to determine patterns in previous data, and to record the daily routine transactions. Management information system collect internal data from the system, summarize it into management reports to help guide logistic managers and executives to support management and decision making. Departments which are commonly involved in using MIS in the car tire industry are human resource, finance, accounting, marketing, and production. The three future challenges for Australian car tire industries are automation, design, and safety. According to the McKinsey report, 15% of new cars will be completely autonomous in the future. And as vehicles become smarter, innovative tires such as connected tires will be in high demand. Last but not least, the demand for safe tires is increasing due to advancement in the driverless cars. The reason for that is because electric vehicles will need tires with a higher load carrying capacity, because the EV batteries in the electric vehicle are heavier than a combustion engine found in petrol and diesel vehicles. So the challenges for Australian car tyre industry in the future is both technological, which is R&D cost for new tyres, and logistical, which is the cost involving significant changes in the supply chain, cost optimization, and delivery costs.